guys, it's me. So today we are doing green slime. Yellow slime. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Stretch it. See all the glitter. So yeah, I added some of that lotion. It's a little bit too sticky, as you can see. It won't stick to me. To other people it is. So let's add a little bit of Borax. Just a little bit. That mix me up. There we go. Not that much. Okay. And it is really like liquidy. Today's question, another day of the question is, do you have a gallon of glue? My answer is yes. I'll show you later. But I think a mosquito or an ant or something just bit me. And it hurts. This is the Borax. It's too dark for you guys. Can't see. It's too pretty. Oh, and if you're wondering what I did use this one with, I used Elmer School Tide and a little bit of Borax. It's body lotion, cinnamon scented, apple and cinnamon scented. I just think I smell like cinnamon. Seriously, just smell it. Can you just smell it? I bet you can. If you have it, just look at how many bubbles. It's a lot of bubbles. They make a lot of bubbles. Pop. Bubble. Let's do a Photoshop. Not a Photoshop. Let's do a zoom in. Pop. Oh, the other one already popped. One other bubble. Bubble. So now let's add some more glitter. Zoom out. Open this green. This is neon green. I got this at the Dollar General. So I'm doing one more video. Go check out my other video, which I did with this plugin. That video. Now I'm doing the green. Hopefully it's not changed the color of the green. So see you guys later.